Hey my beauties! Today we're going to do a get ready with me. I hope you enjoy. And here we go.
Now, I am putting on NYX Shadow Base Skin Tone. It just smooths everything out. It's great, it's cheap. I'm going to spray before my foundation with the Pure Lit Moist. It's got the blue light defense. And it's kind of luminous, but I just want that dewiness. Okay, I'm using this brush, and I'll give you a link for this. This is like about $4, this brush. Okay, first, it looks like a regular brush, right? And nice soft bristles, right? But when you turn it this way, it's got a little pink sponge inside it. Now, if you push it down one notch, the pink sponge is level. And if you go all the way, the pink sponge sticks out. So that is for like foundation, and then you go like that, or you know, whatever you want to do with it. It's cute. It reminds me of those little things that the ball would come with a string and you'd have to catch it. It's cute. Okay, let's get this makeup on. Alright, so that's good, but I'm not going to keep just that. I'm going to put the Bulletproof in Mink, and this is still available online. Blackout. I do this with my eyes open. I just follow the shape of my eye. This is the FOCALLURE We Care Your Favors. This is available on Amazon. And I'm just going to put it in the crease. I'm going to make a 7. Just put it right there. Okay, I'm going to do a little burgundy. Look at these colors. Ooh, they're so gorgeous. They are so gorgeous. This reminds me a lot of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette that I'm insanely in love with. So I'm using a burgundy. It's like, it looks like that, but on, it's just like a nice burgundy. Scandaleyes in Bootleg Brown, or Jordana in Tenacious Brown. So Jordana is that, and Scandaleyes is that. I think Scandaleyes is a wee bit lighter, so I'm just going to put it in my waterline. This is my waterline. I am using the SEPHORA mascara. I hope it comes out soon because it's so great. Now I'm going to clean this up on the outside. Don't worry. Don't you worry about it, okay? Don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. Oh, I'll get copyrighted. I like to sing in the shower to practice my vocals. If every night I sing a song in the shower, my vocals will get stronger, because I'm not doing shows anymore. And that, whew, was not good for my voice. I never even had to warm up. I just used to sing cold turkey. And I was very pleased. Now I don't sing as much, so, and after my thyroid cancer, they had to go in between my vocal cords, stretch them out, and I couldn't talk for weeks. Oh, that scared me. All right, I have serum. I have vitamin C serum, gin amber. I have Clarins daytime moisturizer. Forgot what else. Oh, I have another serum. I have caffeine serum on my neck. And now I'm going to use the Miracle Touch again. This is the bronze. And now I'm going to put it on with this brush. Instead of my little favorite marshmallow, I'm going to put it on with the brush. Now I have the sponge all the way in. So I'm just coating the outer rim. Now, watch the difference. Look at the difference here. I can't do my eyebrows first because, you see, I have to go over it. Even though I'm going to wipe everything off, I just have to go over that area. So, there you go. That's half the face. I'm going to put this golden as concealer. This is amazing. You do not need concealer. You don't need powder. This does it all. I really like it. If you can get up there, you could use it as concealer. I'll take the pink ball. Oh look, see? The pink ball. This is very cute. This little sponge is, brush is very cute. Okay, see? I did that. Just where you want to spot it. Golden bronze. Must close them right away. Did I show you the top comes with a little opening and a little sponge? No liner, just shadow. The difficult part is right here. This is the part you want blended. Now, I'm gonna get those brows on. Before we do the brows, we have to remove all the makeup. What I like to do is put an SPF powder over this. So if I had my powder, I would just powder my brows. Before I do that, this is such a wonderful product. This is called Maybelline Brow Precise Illuminator Perfection. And it's slanted and it is wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. It's just, it goes up and down and it highlights what you want. See? Look at that, how easy. Hopefully this will all come together. Hopefully you won't be disappointed for watching this. Alright, here we go. Raise it up. That's the Marilyn Monroe makeup artist trick. To give it a lift. You don't have to raise your whole eyebrow, you just raise the corner. I've grown to get used to having eyebrows, as I didn't when the 70s. I never accentuated my eyebrows. So many pictures I look bareless because I have no pencil on my brows. I just didn't like it. I wasn't into that much makeup in the 70s. I was trying to be a hippie, you know? And I have a video that will be coming up about Woodstock, because I did go to Woodstock. This is 55 Driver, Maybelline. I did go to Woodstock in 1969. My mother-in-law, then mother-in-law, watched my son. He was born in March. I can't believe how I got away. Of course, she didn't give him back to me because she thought I was too dirty from Woodstock. That was terrible. She was terrible. Whew. Let me put some gloss on. Time for blush and bronzer, because I look dead. I need to look alive. I'm going to take this Too Faced brush. What I do is I go down and then down. So I'm making a triangle. And then I take my Selfie powder to even everything out. And if I want a little more blush, I have this really good dupe for the Lancome. It's ALMAY Smart Shade. It's excellent, excellent. I love these both. Okay, now we're going to spray some illuminating setting spray by COVEREX. And the dewy one by COVEREX. That one goes on different. This one goes on a really soft, smooth spray. If I need to blot, I'll take my marshmallow sponge. I have City Beauty Line Blurring Wrinkle Filler. It uses a two-pronged approach to reduce the look of wrinkles. First, it fills in creases with a blend of long-lasting polymers, creating a smooth surface. Next, Real Diamond Powder creates a soft focus effect by reflecting light to blur the look of wrinkles even further. For long-term results, advanced protein boosters support your skin's dermal matrix to plump skin from the inside out, resulting in a bounty, smooth, youthful-looking complexion. Woohoo! Let's try it. So you just press this, and it comes out. See? I'm going to put a little there. All right, let's see. Do I rub it in? I think I'll just manipulate it with this. A let it settle in. I love this applicator. You know I love blurring. Blurring is the key to hiding anything you don't want to see. So, this is the look, and I hope it was easy enough for you. I mean, I used 2 shadows. One was a stick, and one was any other crease color. And I put it on the bottom, the crease and the bottom. And on the lid, I just put a stick crayon shadow. Very easy. And then the mascara. Find out from Sephora when I can tell you about this mascara. This is so crazy. My bottom lashes are as thick as my top with this. Look at this. Crazy, right? Wow. Wow. And I do love this wrinkle filler. Well, that's it. I think that's the end of the video. I am ready to go out. I have to just do my hair, brush it, and put on my clothes, and I'll be out for the day. Thanks so much for coming by. You know I appreciate you. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you had a smile, subscribe or share the video with your friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you.